When I was 8 years old, I left my home to become a monk. It was my own decision. I first thought about it because there was a small monastery just opposite of my primary school. During that time, I was amazed by the young monks in that monastery. Most of them were around my age and they were always smiling and playing together. Every day, I was admiring their life and thinking how enjoyable their life seemed. One cold night before the Tibetan New Year's Eve, I told my grandmother that I wanted to become a monk. She discussed it with other family. They respected my decision and sent me to South India because they believe that region monasteries have better education facilities. When I first reached my monastery, Dzongkar, I wondered how I would survive without my family since I'd never been separated from them before. Just the next day, though, I was invited to play a game by small monks around my age with genuine smiles on their faces. I easily made friends with them. While studying and playing with them, I mostly didn't miss my family. Sometimes I missed them a lot, but luckily, my aunt was always there to fill that gap. At that time, my aunt was studying at Maharani Arts College in Mysore. Her dormitory was 1.5 hours away from my monastery, so she often used to visit me there. After 2 years away from my family, I decided to go to see them during our 2 months vacation with some of the elder monks from my hometown. I rarely missed my childhood friends because my monk friends never gave me a chance to miss them. However, I was excited to see them again after a long time. More than that, I was extremely excited to see my family because I hadn't seen them in 2 years. During that vacation, I spent quality time with my family. I also had a very fun time with my childhood friends. I shared with them about monastery life and my own story. The time went so fast that I didn't even realize when my vacation was about to end. Finally, I had to be separated from my family once again. I couldn't control my tears when I had to say goodbye to them. It took me around a month to stop thinking about my hometown after returning to my monastery. Even though I was trying my best to focus on my studies and enjoying free time with my monk friends, I miss my family a lot. The same thing happened to me during the next 2 months vacation in the next 6 years. My fifth 2 months vacation to my hometown was little different because I didn't feel the same as before. During the vacation, I enjoyed my time with my family and my friends. However, after a few weeks, I already missed my monastery and my monk friends. On the final day of my vacation, I felt quite sad that I was leaving my family behind. However, I was also excited that I was heading back to my monastery. Since then, my monastery somehow has become my new home. Because I spent most time in the monastery, I built strong relationships with my classmates, my roommate, and elders who all feel like family. Whenever I visit another place and stay for more than a month, I always miss my monastery and my monk friends. Whenever we came back from vacation, we could see our monastery's main prayer hall and its surroundings from a distance through the car's window. When I was young, I always felt dread whenever I saw that because it reminded me that the vacation was over. Now it has totally changed because I feel immensely happy whenever I see this. I feel like I'm about to reach my home. I'm enjoying studying in the US, but I am still missing my monastery a lot. I always wonder how my monastery became my home.